EMG question of the day. How would you label the activity in this frame? A. Very slow. B. Slow. C. Fast. D. Very fast. Many EMG screens have an upper panel and a lower panel. While the lower panel is mainly used to analyze shape and stability of a potential, the upper panel is used to get a gestalt impression of the activity and to determine amplitude and frequency. In this frame, I have enlarged and now isolated the upper panel to point out some relevant features. Each vertical division corresponds to a definite amplitude value. In this panel, we have 6 divisions. Given that the value of each division is 200 microvolts, the maximal recordable amplitude in this panel is 1200 microvolts or 1.2 millivolts. Each horizontal division represents a time value. There is a total of 20 divisions in this panel. Since each division is 10 milliseconds, the total recordable time in this panel is 200 milliseconds or 1/5 of a second. I have now introduced a potential. The fastest way to estimate its frequency is by using a simple mathematical equation. When we see one potential in 200 milliseconds, we should ask ourselves how many potentials would there be in 1000 milliseconds. You answer this question by multiplying the number of potentials in the panel by 1000, dividing the result by the total recording time, which in this case is 200, and displaying the result per second. So we have 5 potentials per second corresponding to a frequency of 5 Hz. If we see 2 potentials in the screen, using the same equation, we will calculate 10 potentials per second, hence 10 Hz. And if we see 3 potentials, 15 Hz. A frequently used but not universally accepted firing rate scale goes as follows. Very slow if the potential appears with a frequency of less than 2 Hz. Slow if they are occurring with a frequency of 2 to 10 Hz. Fast if the frequency is 11 to 100 Hz, and very fast if the frequency is over 100 Hz. What can we say for sure based on frequency of an activity? An activity firing at less than 4 Hz is not volational. In other words, not a motor unit action potential in the operational sense. And a group activity with individual potentials firing at more than 150 Hz is neuromyotonia. So the answer to this question is C. Thank you.